I'm out here in my garage with my green flash Camaro. It's a lot of fun to drive in these Chicago hills. But do you know what I'm more appreciative of? This welder and knowledge. Hey there guys, it's Greg Mumchi with Path the Journeyman again. Just talking about some subjects that are near and dear to my heart today. I'm sorry I had to do a little shameless plug there and have some fun with our boy Ty Lopez with my garage. I just couldn't help it. I walked in and it's the first thing I thought of. But it does lead into the subject I'm going into today. Everybody in this world is concerned with making a buck, so am I. I mean, who doesn't want to make money and enjoy their job, right? Everywhere I go, I've been hearing different things about manufacturing and the skilled trades, and there seems to be a lot of misconceptions out there about how the skilled trades work. There seems to be a lessening of what it truly is in some cases, and then in others, there seems to be like no idea how hard it is to actually make it in the trades. So let me start off with the first misconception, which is, oh, the trades are dirty, they're horrible, you'll never make it in life with them. That is not true. In the skilled trades, there are huge opportunities to make great money, to enjoy your job, support your family, go on to other aspirations. There's tons of places to move up. It's not the dirty world everybody thinks it is. And people tend to think that in the skilled trades, oh, it's a bunch of idiots that couldn't make it through college. You're a high school, a college dropout, you don't know anything, you're stupid, you're dumb. That is so not true. Some of the most intelligent people I've ever met have been in the trades. The second school of thinking is that, oh, I can go shovel dirt, I can go hammer in a nail, and basically I'm gonna make $100 an hour. It doesn't quite work that way. It's called the skilled trades for a reason. In the skilled trades, you need to learn a real skill, like skills that matter. The ones that jump out the most are welders. Everybody who starts off in welding thinks they can weld, but that's not the truth. I'm talking about pipe welders, people who can pass their 6G, 5G, 2G certifications. There's no end to where the skilled trades can lead you if you're willing to put in the work and effort to learn a skilled trade. That's the key word, skilled. Like I said, welding, and it's not just welding, there's other skilled trades. There's pipe fitting, there's machinists, there's so many different trades that you just can't even comprehend. There are people that build houses. I'm sure everybody's familiar with a builder. Now that sector may be having some issues, but it's coming back up. Growth in houses are coming back, just at a more careful rate. If you're willing to put in the effort, you might be a good candidate for the skilled trades. Sometimes to me, learning some of these skilled trades is harder than getting a degree. Here's just a side note though. Let's say you want to go to college and you want to be in the skilled trades. Well, I know guys, including myself, that start off in the skilled trades and went back to college. And you know what? Because they learned a skilled trade, they were making good money, they were able to pay for their degree without all the student loans because they had a real job. If you're willing to put in the time and effort and work really hard, and not just work hard, but actually work smart and learn from people, and I mean being able to take a slap in the face and say, you know what, I don't know everything, but being willing to learn from the true craftsmen that are masters. If you can do that, you can make it in the skilled trades. And also, when I'm talking about the skilled trades, I'm not trying to also downgrade you guys. I don't know everything, but I want you to be able to find out the information. Maybe you don't know everything, but you can find someone who can teach you. You can find someone who knows. That's the whole thing, is getting to know someone who actually can help you accomplish the task. I will also be talking about this later as far as maybe not always knowing the answer, but how to find the answer in business. This is a real skill, one incorporated by Henry Ford actually, but we'll talk about that later. Now, I chose welding because it's something that really grabbed me. I loved seeing the sparks, the flames. I loved seeing molten metal and then the creation coming together. But you don't have to do welding. You can do, that's the best part about the skilled trades. You can do something that interests you. And you know what? Just like it happened to me in welding, that where you get here, it can springboard you into all kinds of other positions and places. I never thought I would go from welding to where I am now. You know, if you would have told me back then, I wouldn't have believed you because I just didn't think it would lead to this point, but it did. And it's been stinking amazing. Myself years ago being a welder and then now being in a management position. I'm on jobs, I'm managing projects, and of course I'm a young manager. I don't know everything and I have to have a lot of help from older managers. And I'm just grateful that they're there to help me. I just went up in different levels and I got into welding and then into quality and then now into the role I'm in now, which is management, or I should say more of a construction management role. But you can grow into amazing positions from the trades. And if you want to go back to college, I think it's a perfect springboard to go back from. Like I said though, it's the skilled trades. It's not the I'm gonna get rich quick trades. It's not the, oh, I'm gonna shovel dirt and I'm just dumb and stupid, so I'm gonna go into the trades. No, in fact, I call upon those of you who really want to learn to be the ones that get into the skilled trades, because that's the people that are needed right now. Not people that are lazy, not people that just want to do enough to get by. Honestly, the trades are not for idiots, but I don't call anyone an idiot. Some people are just lazy. So anyway, I wanted to put this out there because I think it's an amazing place to be. I'm here. I want you all to be here too. But I just wanted everything to be out there on the table. I hope that this information has helped clear up anything. If you have any other questions, please ask them in the comment section. Please subscribe, hit the bell, and like if you're on YouTube. Also, wherever this is at, there will be a link in the description. Please click on it and go to pathtojourneyman.com. Again, be patient with us. We are under construction. Please sign up also for our email list. In it, we'll give away free content that's not seen anywhere else. And I hope you guys have an awesome day. Stay classy and get a welder.